tilted or is the painting tilted? Whenever I have like a blah day, typically what I do is I hit the shower because that like hot hell water makes me feel refreshed and just cozy and warm. And honestly, I just ordered myself some McDonald's because I was like, I don't want to do anything. I just want to rot on my couch. The spicy like habanero chicken sandwich is what I get every time. There's something about just having a comfort meal for when you're just like not feeling up for life. I much prefer a Wendy's fry, but there's no Wendy's around me. Their fries are good. Is Big McDonald's gonna come get me for saying that? I'm trying to really slowly introduce Sunday to like nail clippers. Give me paw. Good. Good boy. Okay, fake clip. Nothing's happening. Good boy. He gets really jumpy with the other one. Okay. Good boy. Okay. Oh, no, you pulled away. Yes, good boy. Good boy. You need a haircut. Woo. Come here. Hey, puppy. Hi. He's nervous. Okay. He can't really see right now, though. Oh. They need to be trimmed a little bit.
To be trimmed. Yes. Good
there you
girl.
go. Oh, he's a boy. He gets mistaken for a girl all the time.
I know. He has a feminine side.
He is. He's a very beta male. Good boy. Look at that face. Who's that?
Hi.
Hello.
Wow, this is so cool.
And then you can zoom in with this thing.
I love this.
You push it back and forth.
You can make a home video. Oh my gosh, I want to get one of these.
Isn't this so fun?
Hi. If you don't know me, my name is Amanda, and I'm just giving a little shout out to Katerina and her new old video camera.
I'm filming your shelf. I like its vibe.
Thank you. I'm working on the vibe. As you can see, I have a lot more books to add, but I'm trying to make it look aesthetically pleasing.
Ooh, it does look pleasing.
Thank you. Do you recognize that plant as well in the pink
My
pot?
plant, my pot.
I need to get more dirt for it though.
Okay.
I need to like repot a couple more.
Okay, just getting ready to go out to dinner. Here's the outfit, sleeveless kind of top. Hope it's not too dark. These are like warm double knit type winter pants because I'm gonna be walking there 15 minutes. Going out to dinner with the girls. We're gonna have some steak. So there's this event happening across Old Port. It's like a set menu type of event. You just pick out a restaurant and you pick which like price you like. So I think we're going for the $49 or the $59 set menu, and it should be like you pick a starter and you pick a main. I have already picked out ahead of time what I want because I asked ChatGPT what will be best for high protein, low cal, just for fitness goals. I think I'm gonna try some escargot for a starter and see how that goes. I don't know if I'll like it.
These are so funny.
Their little cameras. Ah! Okay. I have to like bend down because I can't see. That's so funny.
Bon appetit.
What happened?
Yum.
Oh my god. Camera eats first. It's really dark in here. I don't know if it'll
Yeah, it is dark.
come up. Ready? Snails.
That's a very... I would not be filming myself at that angle.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah?
I like it. It was good. Do you like escargot?
I didn't have any escargot.
But do you like it in
I do
general?
like escargot.
Okay. Wow. Take your flash photo.
Flash. Oh my god, that's so aesthetic. It's so like Tumblr.
Is that?